In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with your Jenkins pipeline to send automated build notifications. We'll go through the full setup from Slack to Jenkins, and by the end, your pipeline will be able to send real-time alerts directly into a Slack channel whenever a build runs. This is a great way to keep your team informed about successful builds, failures, and overall pipeline activity without needing to constantly check Jenkins manually. To begin, open your Slack workspace and head to the app directory. Search for the Jenkins CI app, then choose the option to add it to Slack. During setup, select the channel where you want your build notifications to appear. Once the integration is created, Slack will generate a secret token. Copy that token and keep it available because you'll need it in Jenkins in the next steps. Now switch over to Jenkins. From the Jenkins dashboard, go to Manage Jenkins, then Open Plugins. In the Available Plugins section, search for Slack Notification. Select the plugin and install it. This plugin is what allows Jenkins to communicate with Slack and send those automated messages from your pipeline. After the plugin is installed, the next step is to store your Slack token securely inside Jenkins credentials. From the Jenkins dashboard, go back to Manage Jenkins, then open Credentials and select System. Choose the option to add new credentials. Set the kind to secret text. Paste the Slack secret token into the secret field. Give it a simple ID, such as Slack token, and save it. Storing the token this way is much safer than placing it directly into your pipeline script. Once that's done, configure the global Slack settings in Jenkins. Go to Manage Jenkins, then System, and scroll until you find the Slack section. Enter your Slack workspace domain. Select the credential you just created and specify the channel name where notifications should be sent. Before saving, use the Test Connection option to make sure Jenkins can successfully reach Slack. If the test passes, save your settings. Next, open your Jenkins file or pipeline script and add a Slack send step inside a post build block. This is where you define the notification behavior. You can customize the message text, choose the channel, and even set different colors depending on whether the build succeeds or fails. That makes alerts easier to scan at a glance. Finally, run your pipeline by clicking Build Now on your Jenkins job. Let the build complete, then open your Slack channel and confirm that the notification appears as expected. That's how you set up real-time build alerts by connecting Jenkins to Slack. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more DevOps tutorials.